Hi guys, today I want to make a hanging decor that I can use as a birthday backdrop. I need to cover that space. So I'm gonna use drinking straws, disposable drinking straws. And I have here some pearls. Later I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with these pearls. And of course, that green. And then your choice of beauty. Now I'm about to cut my drinking straws. Siguro if you guys would prefer na gamitin nyo yung buong straw, I think you can do that. But ako gusto kong i-cut siya into 3 parts para I can combine the colors. I cut my hero to about 65 inches. Alright guys, so on the bottom of my hanging decor, I want to put pearl. My needle is so big and it doesn't fit. So I have to improvise. There. And I'm just gonna use it for my pearl. I just kind of put it right there. And there you go. You have a needle. Oops. Okay. Make sure that I make a knot. That. Para hindi naman mahulog yung pearl. There. I can make and then there's my pearl, and I'm gonna make another a little bit so the pearl stays right there. So there's that. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna cut it out, and then I'm just gonna start putting my straws. So I decided I needed 16 of them in one decor, and then first I'm gonna use my needle. This is not easy. Okay, and I'm just gonna do that. I'll grab my thing and what I will do, I'll just do that. I'm just gonna randomly choose color, whatever color it. And you can actually do it your own way. Use the whole straw, so you only have to do it a few times instead of like mine, it's 16, so I have to do the 16 times. But it's up to you, whatever is easier, whatever's more comfortable. Be creative. It. Alright, so on your last one, you can, I guess, make another knot to just close it, but I wanted to put another pearl on this thing, so I'm going to use my improvised needle again, just put my pearl, and there you go, that's my last one, and then I'm just going to tie this up. And there you go. I have one. I need one. That's about, I'm not sure, 60 inches I think. But that's it. Easy. You want to put them one by one. You can always use a pin. And then just try to put it right there. The other way is nail. Put a nail in there, and then you can just hang your decor right there. Right, so I finished a couple of them, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna hang them. I'm not gonna use the pins or the nails. I'm gonna use a rope because I think it's gonna make it easier for me to move them if I want them closer or I want them far from each other. They will look like that, and then you can just hang them up. See? So now, parang sasampay lang ako ng tawag dyan eh. So, I need a lot more. So, it will look just like that. And if I can make some more, I will hopefully be able to cover this whole space. Yay! That's what I did today. And just ignore my wreath, because in our house, it's always Christmas. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.